Hi guys, my name is Anna and I'm into the binary options trading. That's a little bit windy because I'm in Dubai Resort and I'm at the Lamborghini. So guys, if you want to know more, if you want to get more results, profits, knowledges, you can just proceed to my Telegram link, to my Telegram channel where I post 12 signals per day and you can use it and get the same. No, it's fine, but that was safe. Oh, that's fine. Fine for me. Hi guys, here is Yana. I know you know that. We are right there to get to the more profits that we actually deserve and that we actually desire. So I'm gonna be right here sitting, trading, and giving you the tips for the most effective, useful, and profitable strategies. So we're gonna be starting. And we're gonna be starting 1 minute is just right there, 885 right here. Proceeding to do all of the stocks, currency pairs, I don't know, cryptocurrencies, anything you want, because that's never gonna be the same at the time that you're gonna be all trading together. And CCI, Bears Power, Moving Average, and Dungeon Channel. You know, that seems pretty heavy, but this Moving Average and Dungeon Channel with the right setups can actually be combined. Something pretty interesting. I do not promise that it's gonna be perfectly working today, because in some of the cases we actually play in a bit, and you may notice that I've chose the period for the moving average kind of like 48 or something like that. It was something close to that number, and if I'm being honest, that changed the whole indicator. That's changed the meaning itself, and in some cases that's been actually useful, in some cases that was useless. We're gonna be checking. Anyway, we have the Bears Power, the CCI, and you can see that I started to play with the periods and numbers, because previously most of the cases that's been something like 7, 8, 6, 9, these numbers, and all of these strategies were based actually on this type of periods. Now I'm taking bigger periods and trying to handle that, because it changed and it changed a lot. Okay, here we go. And maybe that's gonna be the one. The first thing is we're gonna be getting downward, and I think we are already downward, so we're gonna be rising instead. That's my plan. And you can see how actually moving average right here is a bit ugly. Why do we need it? What we can see from that? What is that about? And the thing is, that's 10-second candles. Pretty short one. And Dungeon Channel kinda small, and I'm, if I'm being honest, just afraid that it's gonna be again the peak. Oh, it's getting bigger. It's getting bigger. Oh, thanks God, it's getting bigger. Because if that would be that low, we are risking, because this downward trend that it's gonna be, well, of course, right after the upward one, and you can see CCI giving us the hints, girl, it's that end. It's gonna be quite soon. No, it's fine. For us, more than just fine. And no. The answer is no. Look at this kind of long candles. That's the nice pattern. I think we're rising. The big thing of that, we are kind of rising, and you can see that with the moving average that we have. Thanks God, it is working somehow. And you can see that with the Dungeon Channel, firstly, that it's getting upper, and opening in the above and closing in the downward. I know that's pretty theoretical, but anyway, I think we are rising. I think that it's actually threatening me that the Bears Power location of the line is a bit too much upward, so we can expect some falling, but this chart can be adjusted, so we can actually move that. or it's not. I don't remember exactly. Anyway, in some of the cases, some of them can be adjusted and some of them can be just straight lines, flat lines, which means you're gonna be rising still. And okay, I get it that that's the peak, and we were not so high actually. We were rising, but that wasn't such a such a high trend. But that was safe. And that's the big reason, just as I told you. There's some big fallen in the middle. I think time it is. Look at that. Bear's power getting downward and kinda, yeah, it is. Just never lie. I don't think that's gonna be the big one, and maybe I do not expect the big fallen of the fallen, but CCI showing us too that we are getting downward. And I must say we entered, of course, a bit later because I've been studying and analyzing all of that chart that we had in the past, and that's bad. Maybe that's how you understand it better. You can see some patterns, you're smart, you're like the professor, but time flies. And the bet you've been planning to make may not be relevant anymore. But it's getting narrow, so we do expect some changing. And it's getting narrow when we had, when we had the upward trend and green candle. So, that's fine. Fine for me. I don't know. I don't think that we can get anything from it. How about the big trend? Seems like we've been getting downward, obviously, and then hit at the bottom. Then you're just at some level, and we're not gonna get any more downward. But you can see that all of the indicators are at the highest position. They are at the peak, so we're gonna get downward, guys. I know that's not so typical of that, but we're gonna get downward. That's not a stage. That's a stage. But it doesn't mean that we're gonna get upward after. So let's check it out. That's beautiful. That's just beautiful. Look at that. Was that actually easy to see without any indicators? I couldn't say so. But with these indicators, that's getting easier. That's beautiful. Okay, gonna make the withdrawal for us, and gotta use the coins. The amount gonna be 6,000. Starting with the 800, right? And the request has been sent. And that's just done. I think that was very nice. Cannot say that's the best one because two indicators, which is the line indicators, just located below the chart, no candles, this weird moving average plus this channel indicator, but at the end it seems just fine. I wasn't planning just to get all the meanings to the each and every indicator, but altogether that worked just fine. I'm not sure if that's actually reasonable to play with these periods of the moving average, but if you are getting stuck or bored or want to try something new and get more profits, that's gonna be fine. That's gonna be working. So, we're done.